ito lang ba mga matatapang? You know, please tell them that this is the first time Congress is investigating after so many years. Why? Because kahit na so many years yan, injustice yan eh. Kahit na umabutan 10 taon yan, injustice pa rin yan. My frustration is, why only 3? When we have more. And your reason that they are afraid to come out, come on, that's a preposterous reason, Attorney Conti. Kung talagang gusto nyo ng justice, dapat lumabas na kayo. My goodness, how can we have justice here? And kung hindi lumalabas yung mga magulo ng mga biktima natin. Kung pwede lang, huwag nyo nang i-mention dito ang ICC. Pagkat nai-insulto po ako eh. Pag binimension ng ICC. Oho. Wala akong obligasyon sa ICC. First of all, I'd like to find out, Attorney Conti, why only 3? When you have a lot that you're actually speaking of.
Your Honor, we are trying to parse through our membership because not all of the victims would like to come forward.
Are they still afraid to come out?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have already given them the last hearing. Sinabi ko sa kanila na huwag kayong matatakot dito. Kung talagang gusto nyo ng justice, dapat lumabas na kayo. My goodness, how can we have justice here? And kung hindi lumalabas yung mga magulo ng mga biktima natin. That's the reason why nahihirapan ang mga kapulisan natin. At sinasabi nila, ayaw nilang bisigahan to. Now, again, let me say, Attorney Conti, no? We would like to ask the parents of the victims to come out. Wala silang dapat ikaba dito. Palagay ko naman itong ating mga Philippine National Police, may compassion naman to. Mga tao naman to na nakikita ang injustice na nangyayari.
Yes, thank you.
In fact, in the last hearing, inamin naman ni Secretary Guevara na mayroong human rights violations. Nung last hearing, inamin din ni General Abellade. You know, and the thing is, they're here today to be able to find out. That's the reason why my frustration is, why only 3? When we have more. And your reason that they are afraid to come out, come on, that's a preposterous reason, Attorney Conti.
Your Honor, the psychosocial support that we provide to the victims takes years. It is re-traumatization for them to retell their stories in a public
This
scenario
committee,
and with
Attorney
other
Conti,
policemen,
has
Your Honor.
promised protection for them.
Yes, Your Honor.
This
we
committee
understand.
has promised protection for them. And I am going to lay my life on the line on this.
We thank
That's the
you
reason why we are now investigating this. Oh, ano man ang mangyari? The thing is, what we are after is this. Meron bang human rights violations? Inamin ng iba. Oo. Okay. Meron bang illegal na nangyari? Yung mga biktima, nais natin, ito lang ba mga matatapang? You know, please tell them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon lamang, okay, even Secretary Guevara said that this is the first time Congress is investigating after so many years. Why? Because kahit na so many years yan, injustice yan eh. Kahit na umabutan 10 taon yan, injustice pa rin yan. At may remorse pa rin na feeling yung mga biktima. Ang frustration ko lang is this. Bakit hindi nag-a-appeal na natatakot? Aba, hindi na kinakailangan matakot dito. Kung ako, tinatabangan ko yung sarili ko eh. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Oh. We thank you for the assurance, Your Honor, but again, we allow the victims to process their grief and their healing at their own pace.
Go ahead, you call the victims then.
And for the next hearing, I think we would be able to produce even more victims from Cebu, Your Honor.
I'm asking the victims to come out. Attorney Conti, no? I'm asking the victims to come out. I'm asking that you stop the rally outside and come here, inside. I've already directed Colonel Cunanan, no? And particularly, we will be directing the Sergeant at Arms to provide security, no? Siyempre, pagpasok dito, medyo kakapkapan yan, kung meron dala yan, whatever it is. But we're going to allow them to come here. So I'm asking the victims to come out. Kasi, ang sinasabi ng Deputy Director ng Operations ng NBI, 52 lang iniimbestigahan eh. Ano reason? Because the victims are not coming out. Yun ang reason doon. Okay? Ngayon, this is now open. Is now open sa investigation. Hindi na po makakatanggi ang law enforcement agencies, not anymore, to make this quite important. Because right now, Congress is investigating it. So number one, I am actually challenging and asking the victims to come out. At number two, kung pwede lang, wag nyo nang i-mention dito ang ICC. Sapagkat nai-insulto po ako pag binimension ng ICC. Wala akong obligasyon sa ICC. At dapat wag ditong i-mention niya ang ICC niyan. Alright? If this is an independent investigation domestically for our nation. Pangatlo po, sa ating mga sa router dito, ang maganda dyan is for us to be able to get justice. It is not enough that the truth should come out. We need to make it sure we have the facts that can be proven in courts. So, Mr. The next time na pumunta ka dito, I hope that hindi ka na magiging marites lang, that you have evidences to show us, no? Para maging maganda naman ang ating. We want documents produced. We want witnesses to come out if we want justice. I do not want this investigation to go to waste. Why? Because we are spending the people's money here. Right now, this investigation is costing us millions of the people's money. Di ba? I mean, you who are taxpayers, we are actually spending money on this. At kung wala tayong magagawa dito, sa mga biktima natin, we're wasting our time here. Wag na natin pang maggumastos tayo at the expense of the people's money. Okay. Kaya our duty here is not to judge nor prosecute. Okay? But to investigate in aid of legislation and to ferret out the truth.